Most days I can barely leave my bed, 'cause someone lives rent-free inside my head. I say I'm not okay, I'm terrified. When I go to sleep, when I close my eyes, what the hell am I supposed to do? Oh my God, I can't breathe, and I don't know what angels come as they leave to the midnight sky. You already know how much you meant. You already know the time we spent. Take the pain from my heart and make it whole again. Please, God, can you give me some relief? I've been out here hiding like a thief. I'll pull the windows down when I feel low. Keep my demons close so nobody knows the side that lives inside of me. Oh my God, I can't breathe, and I don't know why angels come and they leave to the midnight sky.